Welcome back to Ray CRE Broker. I'm Ray Kang, and I help retail property owners protect their income, grow their equity, and make better decisions about the assets they've worked hard to build. Today's topic is significant for owners to think about: the implications of inactive equity. Most retail property owners celebrate when they hit a big milestone. I paid off my loan. The property is worth double what I paid. I'm completely full and things are going smooth. Don't get me wrong, these are amazing accomplishments. But here's where I've seen good owners get stuck. They stop measuring performance. They assume high equity equals high success. But in reality, they're sitting on a pile of trapped capital that isn't working hard anymore. That's what I call lazy equity. High equity feels safe, but safety isn't performance, and performance is what builds wealth. Let's define the number that really matters here: return on equity, or ROE. It's a simple concept. How much net income is your property generating compared to how much of your own money is tied up in it? Let's say you own a retail center that's worth $2 million. You have no loan on it, and you're generating $100,000 a year in net income. Your return on equity is 5%, meaning every dollar of your equity is earning you 5 cents a year. Now, is 5% good? Depends on your goals, but if you could refinance, unlock $1 million and reinvest that money into another center or use it to improve this one and increase rents, suddenly that same equity is working 2 to 3 times harder. The key question is, are you holding equity because it's strategic or because it's familiar? Equity is not just a trophy. It's capital, and capital has to work. Let me be really clear here. I'm not saying debt is always the answer. I'm not saying you should refinance or sell. But I am saying that letting equity sit in an underperforming asset year after year while inflation rises, rents stagnate, or maintenance issues stack up, that's a hidden cost. The key point is, lazy equity creates a false sense of safety. You feel like things are stable, but your money is quietly falling behind. Every year your equity doesn't grow, its opportunity cost grows with it. Knowledgeable owners I work with inquire about this periodically. What's my current return on equity? Could I reallocate capital for better performance? Is it time to upgrade the asset, reposition it, or scale into a second one? Some refinance, take out capital, and reinvest. Some sell and trade up into a better location or tenant mix. Some improve the property to justify rent increases and boost NOI, but all of them share one thing in common. They track their equity like a business tracks inventory. If it's not producing, they take action. So here's the reflection for today. Are you measuring your return on equity? Is your capital performing at a level that matches your risk, your goals, and the opportunity in front of you? If you're not sure, that's okay. Most owners don't have a system for this, but getting clarity is one of the most powerful things you can do. If you ever want to talk it through, no pressure or pitch, feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to walk you through your numbers and help you see where your equity stands. Thanks for being here. In the next episode, we'll talk about why vacancy is a cancer and what proactive owners do to protect value. Until then, stay strategic and make more money on your deals.